Apple has shocked everyone. Not so much with the release of this new Mac Studio, but with the price definitely. It comes in two variants. The 256 GB one is 5.6 thousand US dollars, whereas 512 GB variant is 9.5 thousand US dollars. Well, now you know the price. If you want to carry on watching the video, be my guest. If you don't, I can understand. But let me describe what Apple has done, because other than price, they have done quite well. So Apple has introduced the new Mac Studio featuring the powerful M4 Max and M3 Ultra chips, marking a significant advancement in personal computing. This release is crucial for running AI workloads, as the Mac Studio can accommodate large language models with over 600 billion parameters entirely in memory. Thanks to its advanced GPU and up to 512 GB of unified memory, which is the most ever in a personal computer, not only it can accommodate models like DeepSeek Carbon, but in my opinion, it is more best suited for mixture of expert models, which are the sparse models, so that instead of, unlike the dense models where you activate all the parameters, in mixture of experts you only activate subset of the model, which requires lesser memory, and that is why I think they are best suited for these sort of computers or personal computers like this Mac Studio. This capability also makes the Mac Studio a strong contender for AI tasks, which are traditionally dominated by companies like Nvidia. Nvidia has been a leader in the AI and machine learning sectors primarily due to its powerful GPU and CUDA technology, which are extensively used in training and deploying AI models. With Apple's emphasis on integrated hardware and software optimization, the Mac Studio could emerge as a formidable competitor, especially for the users who seek high performance computing with a focus on privacy and efficiency. But still, I will say it again, the price looks quite scary. But let's review what exactly is the spec of this Mac Studio in both of the variants. So as I said, this comes in two flavors with two chips. So it has been equipped with M4 Max and M3 Ultra chip that offers up to 32 core CPU and an up to 80 core GPU. They also support up to 512 GB of unified memory and a massive 16 terabyte SSD storage, as you can see, which is ideal for, I would say, data intensive tasks and agentic software. M4 Max provides 3.5 times faster performance than the previous models, while M3 Ultra significantly enhances efficiency with high performance core counts. It also has come with advanced graphic architectures with dynamic caching, mesh shading, and ray tracing. And all of these are optimized for AI workloads and a large model. And I will talk a bit more about these features shortly once I finished the last bit, which is connectivity, as it features Thunderbolt 5 ports with data transfer speed up to 120 gigabits per second, along with other ports like HDMI, 10 GB Ethernet, and SDXC card slot for expanded connectivity. So solution looks quite comprehensive, especially from the lens of running AI workloads. But I believe the entry price, plus I would say, in my opinion, I think still they could have improved it a bit more. But if you can afford it, I think it is not a bad option at all. Now, before I talk further about it, let's talk about the three features which are geared more towards AI. So, as I said, it comes with something called as advanced graphic architecture. So, what they have done is they have created a new sophisticated design and technology behind their GPU card that enables high performance graphics rendering, which is quite crucial for content creation and gaming. Plus, you can easily run vision models on it. Also, it has got dynamic caching That feature allows the GPU to intelligently allocate memory resources where they are most needed. That improves performance and efficiency again. And by dynamically adjusting caching on the fly, the system can better handle varying loads, which is particularly beneficial for tasks involving LLMs, datasets, and rapidly changing AI agents. Finally, they have also come up with something called as mesh shading, which in my opinion is the best feature of this Mac Studio. Mesh shading is a technique in computer graphics that enhances the rendering pipeline that allows for more detailed and complex models to be processed efficiently. It provides developers greater control over the level of detail, which can lead to better performance and visual fidelity in 3D rendering tasks. And then we also have something called as ray tracing. Ray tracing is a rendering technique that simulates the way light interacts with objects in a scene, producing highly realistic images by calculating how rays of light reflect, refract, and cast shadows. This feature significantly enhances the visual quality of graphics, making them appear more realistic, which is crucial for high end gaming and professional visual effect work. So, as I said, the GPU and the neural engine in this Mac Studio are designed to handle AI and machine learning tasks more efficiently. You can run LLMs, you can run more complex AI algorithms in memory, and it doesn't consume that much computing power and memory bandwidth due to the new design. So go for it if you can afford, of course, and then also keep us posted. Very, very keen to know if you buy it and how you go, because I'm not going to buy it, by the way. I can't afford it. So before I let you go, let me also introduce you to Camel AI. Camel is an open source community focused on building multi-agent infrastructures for finding the scaling laws of agents with applications in data generation, task automation, and world simulation. Also, we have been covering not only this Apple's new offering, but we also have covered a lot of other offerings having GPUs, because the aim of this video and all the similar video which you are looking at your screen on the channel is to find if we have any alternative of Nvidia, so that there will be no monopoly and the price will come down. And that is why I am slightly, how should I put it politely, disappointed maybe, that the price tag of this new Apple is quite big. So, but what do you think? Maybe I am being too cheap here. If you think the price tag justifies it, let me know in the comments. As usual, very, very keen to hear your thoughts. Thank you very much. If you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you're already subscribed, please do me a favor and share it among your network, as it helps a lot. Thank you for watching.